To use the weather widget on your Garmin Tactix or Garmin Fenix, use the up and down button to reach the widget until you find that weather widget. If it's not there, you can press an old menu button and go on Add Widget and select it from that list. But actually, it's already there, so I'm just gonna jump into that widget by pressing the select start stop button just right here. Actually, what we see is the actual temperature outside, so 27 is the actual temperature, but it feels like 27 actually, which is the same thing. Here we have the high and lows, so today is a high 28 and low 20, and that's the wind direction, so it's 3 kilometers per hour of wind, and the wind comes from northwest. And today we've got 50% chance of rain. And from here we can go down to see the hourly forecast. So we've got the temperature, chance of rain, and how will it be. So partly cloudy or partly sunny. It's as you wish. And then as I can see here, there might be thunderstorms and 50% chance of rain. And I can see it up to 12 hours later. Now if I go down, there is the daily forecast. Actually, this one is only available for the next 4 days. And we see the high and lows for every day. And finally, we've got the 12-hour trend. So the white line is the temperature, and the blue one is the chance of rain. And it's pretty much that's it. Well, if you press and hold the menu button from here, you can have access to the weather option, and you can switch it from Celsius to Fahrenheit. But I'm gonna stick to Celsius. So this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. If yes, please smash the like button. If you are planning to buy this watch, you can see my link in the description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can find me back easily next time you need help. If you want to see my other tutorial about this watch, you can see my playlist just right here. And you can also find me on my main channel just right there. Thank you for watching. Take care and see ya.